MAP2GROW Presents 12 Signs You Have Strong Intuition. Before starting the video, if you are new here, please like and subscribe. MAP2GROW. Intuition is a funny thing. It's that little voice inside your head that speaks to you, often in times of decision making. And while some people might brush it off as coincidence or hunches, there's actually a lot more to it than that. Intuition is a gut feeling. It's that little voice inside your head that tells you something is off or something is going to happen. Intuition is often seen as a sixth sense because it goes beyond the five senses of sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Most people experience intuition at some point in their lives, but some people are more in tune with their intuition than others. Some people are born with strong intuitions, while others develop it through meditation, prayer, and other spiritual practices. Think you might have strong intuition? Here are 12 signs that point to yes. Number 1. Your unknown dreams and thoughts come true. Have you ever had a dream or thought about your inner self, and one day it seemed to be true, but there is no indication that the incident is similar to what happened previously? Unconsciously, thoughts or dreams can be real, indicating that the mind had previously recognized the entire incident. It was supposed to happen, and the mind unconsciously knew because of the different magnetic waves the mind could sense. Number 2. You're somehow always right. If you're the kind of person who is always right, even when you can't explain how you know something, it's likely that you have strong intuition. Intuitive people are often able to see things that others miss, and they trust their gut instincts to guide them. While some people may see being intuitive as a gift, it can also be a burden. If you're constantly second-guessing yourself or questioning your decisions, it can be tough to live with strong intuition. But if you can learn to trust your instincts and use your intuition to help you make decisions, it can be a powerful tool. Number 3. You experience synchronicities. Do you ever notice strange coincidences or patterns, especially when you're unsure what to do next in your life? When you start paying attention to the synchronicities in your life, you'll notice them more and more. A synchronicity is when two or more events happen that are seemingly unrelated but have a connection. They often involve meaningful coincidences and can be interpreted as signs from the universe. Some people experience synchronicities on a regular basis, while others only occasionally. Number 4. Your inner voice warns. Your inner voice is always warning you of potential danger. It's like a little voice in your head that's constantly on the lookout for anything that could harm you. If you're about to walk into a dark alley, your inner voice will warn you to turn back. If you're about to make a risky decision, your inner voice will warn you to think twice. Your inner voice is always warning you because it knows what's best for you. It's trying to protect you from making any mistakes that could lead to harm. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where your inner voice is telling you to beware, it's important to listen and heed its warnings. Number 5. You listen to and obey your inner voice. If you have strong intuition, you listen to and obey your inner voice without question. You can not only prevent yourself to get into any problems, but also help others to stay out of it. A stronger inner voice helps to listen to your heart and mind and make a decision. Self-awareness not only helps a person to understand their upcoming good or bad times, but also guides themselves through overcome. They can trace their paths effectively. Number 6. You're a deep thinker. Intuitive people are often deep thinkers. They are the ones who are always asking questions and looking for answers. They are constantly seeking knowledge and understanding. Intuitive people tend to be very introspective. They are always thinking about their own thoughts and feelings and trying to understand them. They are also interested in the thoughts and feelings of others. They want to know what makes people tick. Intuitive people are often very creative. They have a lot of ideas and they like to experiment with them. They are always looking for new ways to do things, and they are not afraid to try something new. Deep thinkers often have a strong sense of intuition. They just know things without knowing how they know them. This can be a very powerful gift, but it can also be a burden if not used wisely. Number 7. You're in tune with your body. If you're in tune with your body, you may find that you have a strong sense of intuition. This can manifest in a number of ways, including an ability to read people and situations, gut feelings, and dreams or premonitions that come true. Some people are more attuned to their bodies than others and may be able to sense things that others cannot. This doesn't mean that they're always right, but it does mean that they're more in touch with their own inner wisdom. If you find yourself frequently having strong intuitions, it may be worth paying attention to them. Intuition is often a sign that we're tapped into something larger than ourselves, and following our intuition can lead us to our highest good. Number 8. You think of someone and they text you. If you've ever had the experience of thinking of someone and then having them text you, it's a pretty amazing feeling, and according to some experts, it's a sign that you have strong intuition. When our thoughts are focused on someone, we are actually sending out energy vibrations to them, and if they are attuned to us, they will receive those vibrations and may be prompted to contact us. So if you've ever had this happen, Don't be surprised. It's just your strong intuition at work. Number 9. You judge people rightly. If you find yourself frequently second-guessing people or doubting their intentions, it's likely that you have strong intuition. People who are intuitive are often able to see through others' motives and can quickly judge whether someone is being sincere or not. This ability can be helpful in both personal and professional relationships. If you're intuitive, you may also be a good listener. People who are intuitive often pick up on subtle cues and nonverbal communication. This allows them to understand what someone is really saying, even if they aren't using words to express it. Intuitive people are often able to offer helpful advice or guidance because they can see the big picture. So, if you find yourself frequently judging people in a good way, it's a sign that you have strong intuition. Number 10. You are typically optimistic. If you are typically optimistic, it is likely that you have strong intuition. People who are optimistic tend to be more in tune with their intuition than those who are pessimistic. This is because optimism allows you to see the best in people and situations, whereas pessimism only allows you to see the worst. Intuition is a gut feeling that comes from your subconscious mind. It is often an indicator of what is right for you, even if you cannot explain why. If you find yourself being optimistic more often than not, it is a good sign that your intuition is strong. Number 11. You're always at the right place at the right time. When you trust your intuition, you're always in the right place at the right time. You might not know why you're drawn to certain people or situations, but you can be sure that your intuition is leading you towards what's best for you. Listening to your intuition can be scary at first, but it's always worth following your gut feeling. After all, your intuition knows what's best for you, even if you don't always understand it. Number 12. Your clock is always at 11:11. When you keep seeing 11:11 on the clock, it's a sign that your intuition is strong. This number is a powerful universal code that signifies new beginnings, spiritual guidance, and increased awareness. If you find yourself frequently waking up at 11:11 or looking at the clock at 11:11, it's a good idea to pay attention to what your intuition is trying to tell you. This could be a message from your higher self, your spirit guides, or the universe itself. Some people believe that when you see 11:11, it's a reminder to stay present and in the moment. It's also a good time to reflect on your life and see where you're aligning with your true purpose. If you start seeing 11:11 more often than usual, take it as a sign to start paying attention to your intuition. Trust your gut instinct and follow its guidance. You may be surprised at how accurate it can be. Strong intuition can help you in many ways, both in personal and professional life. It can guide you to make the best choices, avoid potential danger, and find opportunities for success. In business, strong intuition can be a powerful tool. It can help you make sound decisions, spot market trends, and understand the needs of your customers. Intuition can also give you an edge over your competition by helping you see things that they may not. In life, intuition can keep you safe. It can warn you of potential dangers and help you make better choices. Intuition can also help you create more positive experiences by guiding you to people and situations that are right for you. When it comes to achieving success, strong intuition is invaluable. It can help you identify opportunities, make smart decisions, and stay ahead of the curve. Trusting your intuitions will always give you an advantage in life. Intuition is a valuable asset that can help you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for latest videos.